Hi, welcome to the Success Seeds. The Archer is a short and insightful book written by Paulo Coelho. The book tells the story of Tetsuya, a renowned archer who lives in a remote Japanese village. The book is full of lessons about life, mastery, and personal development. In this book, we will discuss key lessons from the archer and how they can be applied in our daily lives. Lesson 1. Live in the present. The concept of living in the present moment is not a new one, but it is one that we often overlook in our daily lives. Tetsuya, the archer, emphasizes the significance of focusing on the present moment in the archer. He advises his students to be fully present in the moment and avoid distractions from thoughts of the past or worries about the future. In today's world, it is easy to get distracted by technology and social media, which can take us away from the present moment. By concentrating on the present moment, we can improve our concentration, reduce stress, and enhance our overall well-being. Being present in the moment allows us to fully engage in the world around us, to appreciate the beauty of nature, to connect with others on a deeper level, and to live a more fulfilling life. One way to live in the present moment is to practice mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation involves focusing on the present moment and being aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. By practicing mindfulness, we can become more aware of our thoughts and emotions, and we can learn to respond to them in a more positive and constructive way. Another way to live in the present moment is to engage in activities that require our full attention, such as sports, music, or art. These activities allow us to fully engage in the moment and to let go of our worries and concerns. Living in the present moment is not always easy, but it is a skill that can be learned with practice. By focusing on the present moment and letting go of distractions, we can live a more fulfilling and joyful life. Lesson 2. Perseverance is the key. Perseverance is another significant lesson from the archer. Tetsuya explains that becoming a master archer requires years of practice and dedication. He emphasizes that success is not achieved overnight and that it requires perseverance and hard work. This lesson is highly relevant to those who pursue a challenging goal or face a difficult situation. Perseverance is the ability to keep going in the face of adversity, to maintain your focus and determination despite obstacles or setbacks. It is an essential quality for achieving success in any area of life. Perseverance requires a growth mindset, which is the belief that our abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. A growth mindset allows us to view challenges and setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow, rather than as barriers to success. To cultivate perseverance, it is essential to set realistic goals and break them down into manageable steps. It is also important to have a plan in place for how you will achieve your goals and to stay committed to that plan even when it gets difficult. In addition, it can be helpful to seek support from others, such as a mentor or accountability partner. Having someone to encourage and motivate you can help you stay on track and maintain your focus. Ultimately, perseverance is about maintaining your focus and determination in the face of obstacles and setbacks. By developing this quality, we can achieve our goals and overcome any challenges that come our way. Lesson 3. Embrace failure. The third lesson from the archer is the importance of embracing failure. Tetsuya explains that failure is an essential part of the learning process and that we should not fear it. Instead, we should embrace it as an opportunity to learn, grow, and improve. In today's society, failure is often viewed as a negative thing, something to be avoided at all costs. However, this mindset can be detrimental to our growth and development. By embracing failure, we can learn from our mistakes, identify areas for improvement, and develop resilience. Tetsuya believes that failure is an essential part of the learning process. He encourages his students to take risks and try new things, even if they might fail. By doing so, they can gain valuable experience and learn from their mistakes. To embrace failure, it is important to reframe our mindset around it. Instead of viewing failure as a negative thing, we should view it as a learning opportunity. We should reflect on what went wrong and identify what we can do differently next time. In addition, it is essential to have a growth mindset. A growth mindset recognizes that failure is an essential part of the learning process and that our abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Ultimately, embracing failure is about learning to be comfortable with discomfort. It is about recognizing that failure is a necessary part of the growth process and that we can use it to our advantage. By embracing failure, we can become more resilient, more adaptable, and more successful in all areas of our lives. Lesson 4. Trust the process. In The Archer, Tetsuya emphasizes the importance of trusting the process. He believes that success is not just about the end result, but also about the journey. Tetsuya encourages his students to focus on the process of learning and to trust that the results will come with time and dedication. Trusting the process means having faith in yourself and your abilities, even when the results are not immediate or obvious. It means staying committed to your goals and trusting that your hard work and dedication will pay off in the end. Trusting the process is essential for achieving any goal, whether it is in sports, business, or personal development. It requires a willingness to stay committed to your goals, even when progress seems slow or difficult. To trust the process, it is important to focus on the journey, rather than the destination. This means setting realistic goals and breaking them down into manageable steps. It also means staying present in the moment and enjoying the process of learning and growing. In addition, it is essential to have patience and persistence. Trusting the process means recognizing that success takes time and that setbacks and obstacles are a normal part of the journey. Ultimately, trusting the process is about having faith in yourself and your abilities. It is about staying committed to your goals and persevering in the face of challenges and setbacks. By trusting the process, we can achieve our goals and create a fulfilling and successful life. Lesson 5. Discipline is essential. Discipline is another key lesson from the Archer. Tetsuya emphasizes the importance of discipline in achieving success. He believes that discipline is essential for developing the skills and habits necessary to become a master archer. Discipline involves setting clear goals, creating a plan for achieving those goals, and staying committed to that plan. It requires a willingness to make sacrifices and to prioritize the things that matter most. Discipline is essential for achieving any goal, whether it is in sports, business, or personal development. It requires a commitment to self-improvement and a willingness to put in the hard work and effort necessary to achieve success. To develop discipline, it is important to create a routine and stick to it. This means setting aside time each day to work towards your goals, whether it is practicing archery, studying for an exam, or working on a project. In addition, discipline requires self-control and the ability to resist temptation. It means saying no to distractions and staying focused on the task at hand. Finally, discipline requires a growth mindset. It means recognizing that success takes time and effort and that setbacks and failures are a normal part of the learning process. Ultimately, discipline is about creating habits and routines that support your goals and staying committed to those habits even when it gets difficult. By developing discipline, we can achieve our goals and create a fulfilling and successful life. Lesson 6. Learn from others. In The Archer, Tetsuya emphasizes the importance of learning from others. He believes that no one can achieve mastery on their own and that we all need guidance and support from those who have come before us. Learning from others involves seeking out mentors and role models who can provide guidance and support on our journey towards mastery. It also involves being open to feedback and constructive criticism, and being willing to learn from our mistakes. To learn from others, it is important to seek out mentors and role models who have achieved the level of success that we aspire to. This might involve taking classes, attending workshops or seminars, or simply seeking out advice from those who have more experience. In addition, it is important to be open to feedback and constructive criticism. This means being willing to listen to others and to consider their perspective, even if it is different from our own. Finally, learning from others requires a willingness to learn from our mistakes. This means recognizing that we are not perfect and that there is always room for improvement. It means being willing to reflect on our actions and to make changes when necessary. Ultimately, learning from others is about recognizing that we cannot achieve mastery on our own. It is about seeking out guidance and support from those who have come before us and being open to feedback and constructive criticism. By learning from others, we can accelerate our growth and achieve greater levels of success than we could on our own. Lesson 7. Practice makes perfect. In The Archer, Tetsuya emphasizes the importance of practice in achieving mastery. He believes that practice is essential for developing the skills and habits necessary to become a master archer. Practice involves repetition and consistent effort over a period of time. It requires a commitment to self-improvement and a willingness to put in the hard work and effort necessary to achieve success. To practice effectively, it is important to set clear goals and to break them down into manageable steps. This means identifying specific skills or techniques that need to be developed and creating a plan for practicing those skills on a regular basis. In addition, it is important to practice with intention and focus. This means staying present in the moment and fully engaged in the task at hand. It means being aware of your body and your surroundings and making adjustments as needed. Finally, practice requires persistence and a willingness to push through challenges and setbacks. It means recognizing that progress is not always linear and that setbacks and failures are a normal part of the learning process. Ultimately, practice is about creating habits and routines that support your goals and staying committed to those habits even when it gets difficult. By practicing consistently and intentionally, we can develop the skills and habits necessary to achieve mastery in any area of our lives. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe.